Now, your Storm Team 18 forecast on News 18.
The flood watch, we have this in place for much of our viewing area. This will be in effect until Sunday morning, so unfortunately looking at more bouts of heavy rainfall pulling through our area for the next 60 hours. So unfortunately, if you're counting on the break from all this action, we're not going to be getting that until Sunday, as unfortunately this is not going away anytime soon until about Sunday morning. But for tonight, expecting that first round of rainfall overhead, that'll continue into the very early morning hours of Friday, and then temperatures dropping down to the lower 40s by Friday morning. So a cooler start to your day tomorrow morning with temperatures pretty much in the 40s all across the board. So just a bit chillier, meaning the light jacket first thing tomorrow morning, but temperatures warming up to the upper 50s before some more rain and even some storms come in here by the evening hours. Some heavy rain and some storms by 9 o'clock tomorrow night, with temperatures again still quite mild, but looking at temperatures upper 50s to around the 6-degree mark. So similar to today, but a bit rainier as we head into your afternoon for your Friday. Now we start out with tonight. We see that again, we have that rain to our south, and then that'll continue to pull away from us as we head overnight with some sun back in here first thing tomorrow morning. So looking at some sunshine overhead, but then the clouds come right back in here with some rain likely by Friday afternoon, and that'll continue into your Friday evening, noticing the heavier bands of rainfall to our north. Watch how they intensify. You see by midnight Saturday, some heavy rain and some storms developing off the north wall. This will not be a squall line like what we saw Wednesday night. It will be more of heavy rain and some storms, so this will not be much more of a severe threat. But in terms of Friday night, though, there is a low-end severe threat for some strong storms Friday evening, Friday night, with just a marginal risk for severe weather in place from Jasper County pointing southeastward. So looking at a lower-end threat, so not anything like what we saw with Wednesday night, but the main threats though will be the wind threat, which will be mainly down to our southeast, so not much of a bigger threat. The bigger threat will be the hail, which with the warm front being well off to our south, we could have some warm air run over the warm front, and with that have some elevated storms, which contribute to that hail being a possibility of Friday night. And as we head back through Futurecast, I'll show you that again Friday evening, and then by Friday night some heavy rain, some storms developing off toward northwest, and by 2 o'clock Saturday morning we could be seeing the action taking place, and now continue throughout your Saturday morning, and then some more rain likely as we head throughout Saturday as the rain trains over the same areas again, which hence why again that flood threat will be verified. And even as we head towards Sunday, it stays off to our south, but again more rain down towards southeast part of our state. But looking at by Sunday morning, look at this, about 1 inch to potentially 3 inches of rain fall in the forecast by Sunday morning, and after Sunday watching out for a wintry mix possible on Monday afternoon.